Hi friends, now we are discuss about punctuation marks. They are full stop, comma, question mark, capital letter, exclamatory mark. Let us start friends. Let's start Raven.
Hi friends, I am full stop. Use me and end of the sentence. The sentence content is simple. Instruction or command. For example, the children don't go outside.
Next, comma.
Hi friends, I am a comma. Use me to separate more than two one sentence. For example, Raju, Lata, Rohan was a
Next question mark. Hello, hi friends. I am question mark. Use me at the end of the question. The sentence of the information. Example, where are you going? Is any hospital nearby? Next, capital letter.
Hello, hi. Hi friends, I am capital letter. Use me in the beginning of the sentence. Example, Ravi going to Bangalore. Sunday is a holiday.
Next, exclamatory mark. Hello, hi friends, I am exclamatory mark. The sentence shows feeling and emotions. For example, wow, what a beautiful house. Oh, thank you. Thank you all. Thank you to all.